Hello, I'm Sri. Welcome to the Ethical Hacker course by CBTU. Module Metasploit Section Modules. Agenda for this session. Let us know about module, different types of modules, use various types of commands to search and use modules. A module is packaged collection of code in Metasploit framework that can run a scan, find out exploitable targets, and warn the target system for various attacks. Metasploit framework in Kali Linux is installed in user share metasploit directory. ls will display all the files and folders here. And when you go to the modules, it displays 7 types of modules. Let us jump into the Kali Linux. Kali Linux is running on Oracle VirtualBox. Start Metasploit from Applications, Exploitation Tools, Metasploit. Database is already started. PostgreSQL database is required for storing the reports, host information, and other data. Let us open in the terminal. Metasploit is started. This is msfconsole. This is Metasploit framework installed directory on Kali Linux. These are the files and folders. Go to modules. A long listing. These are the modules in Metasploit. We have 1800 plus exploits, 1000 plus auxiliary modules, and other modules. And these are the other counts. We have seen modules are categorized into 7 types. Let us know about each and every one. To display modules, you can use show command. With H flag, you can take the help, and this is the parameter that it is expecting. All modules or specify the type of modules to be shown. Encoders, knobs, exploits, payloads, auxiliary, post, plugins, info, and options. Let us type all. It is still working. These are the payloads. Metasploit has around 3700 modules and it is displaying all the modules. It's still loading. It displayed the plugins information as well. Okay, let us display only exploits. It will display all the 1800 plus exploits here. It will take a minute or so to fetch all the exploits information. If you want to see the information on any exploit, select show info, paste. This is the information about this exploit. This is applicable for the platform Windows and the rank is great. Based on this rank, we can know how much impact can be made to the vulnerable target system, that is exploited system. And the available targets are Windows 2000 English. It supports check function whether target is vulnerable for this exploit. You can configure the options like remote host, that is target host. This exploits memory write flaws in the Win service. This is CV reference. Okay. Whenever you log into the MSF console, it will display the number of exploits, payloads, and other modules available. Exploit modules include buffer overflow, code injection, and other application exploits. Let us go to experts directory. The exploits are categorized based on the platform like AIX, BSD, Android, Apple iOS, Linux, Windows, and these are the other platforms. Let us check the exploits available for Windows platform. The exploits are categorized based on the application and protocols. The exploits we have seen here are these. This MS-08067 is a popular exploit on some of the Windows systems. With show info and the particular exploit, you can see all the information about that exploit. Let us see telnet. Auxiliary module. Auxiliary modules are unique as they perform actions supporting exploitation, and as such, they do not execute any payload. Auxiliary modules are used for reconnaissance, scanning for vulnerable targets, data gathering, check for web server misconfigurations, etc. Rapid7's Metasploit team have created and released new evasion module type in Metasploit framework. This module type gives framework users the ability to generate evasive payloads without having to install external tools. Right now, these are the modules available. Encoders are used in evasion techniques to bypass the security controls. Encoders encode payload to avoid detection by the firewalls and other security mechanisms. Encoders are categorized based on the architecture, like x64, x86, etc. This is alphanumeric mixed case encoder. After exploitation of a target system, the post-exploitation modules enables you to gather more information about the target system and perform all the tasks to own the exploited target system. Examples include hashdumps, enumerators, keyloggers, and these are the others. Payload. Payload is just like a satellite that is tied to a rocket, and rocket leaves the satellite in its orbit. Satellite performs its intended purpose and functions. A payload is the shellcode that runs after an exploit successfully compromises a system. A payload can open a Meterpreter command shell or provide remote desktop. Meterpreter is an advanced payload that allows you to write DLL files to dynamically create new features as you need them. Payloads. Payloads are of three types: singles, stages, and stages. Basically, they are staged or stageless. Singles are stageless modules. They are all-in-one modules which does without connection back to the attacking system. These payloads are again categorized based on the platforms. Interpreter bind TCP, reverse HTTP, and these. Nopes. Nopes is no operation module. Nope generator produces a series of random bytes that you can use to bypass the standard IDS and IPS. Intrusion detection and intrusion prevention NOP SLED signatures. NOP generators are used to pad buffers. NOPS modules are categorized based on the architecture. In the coming sessions, we'll be seeing more about exploits and payloads. Thanks for watching.